Daily English Talks.
English conversation on the airplane.
Excuse me, is this seat 24A by the window? Because I want to make sure I'm sitting in the correct place before takeoff.
Yes, this is seat 24A, and you can place your bag in the overhead bin or under the seat in front of you.
Thank you. I always like the window seat because it helps me feel calmer during the flight.
Hi there. It looks like we'll be sitting next to each other for the next few hours, so nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I hope you don't mind if I take a few photos when we're above the clouds.
Not at all. I actually enjoy watching the view as well, especially during takeoff and landing.
Ladies and gentlemen, please fasten your seatbelts and make sure your seats are in the upright position.
I always get a little nervous during takeoff, but I try to relax by taking slow, deep breaths.
I understand that feeling, and listening to music usually helps me stay calm in moments like this.
That's a good idea. I brought my headphones so I can listen to something peaceful.
If you need anything during the flight, please press the call button above your seat.
Thank you. I appreciate how kind and helpful the crew is on this flight.
Is this your first time flying to this destination, or have you been there before?
It's my first time, so I'm very excited, even though I'm a little tired from traveling.
Traveling can be exhausting, but discovering a new place always makes it worth the effort.
I agree, and I'm really looking forward to trying the local food and meeting new people.
We will begin our beverage service shortly, so please check the menu in the seat pocket.
I think I'll order some water and maybe a cup of coffee to stay awake.
I usually choose tea on flights because it helps me relax and sleep better.
That sounds nice, especially on a long flight like this one.
Here are your drinks, and please be careful as the coffee may be hot.
Thank you very much. I'll be careful and take small sips.
Do you plan to sleep during the flight, or will you watch a movie instead?
I might watch a movie first and then try to sleep once I start feeling sleepy.
The in-flight entertainment system has some really good movies this time.
That's great because movies help the time pass much faster.
We are currently cruising at altitude, so you may move around the cabin if needed.
I might stretch my legs a bit later because sitting too long makes me uncomfortable.
That's a good idea, as stretching really helps improve circulation during flights.
By the way, do you travel often for work or mostly for vacation?
Mostly for work, but I try to turn every trip into a small adventure when I can.
That's a nice way to see the world, even when work keeps you busy.
We will be serving meals shortly, so please clear your tray tables.
I'm starting to feel hungry, so I'm glad food will be served soon.
Airplane food isn't always perfect, but sometimes it's surprisingly good.
I agree, and I think it tastes better when you're really hungry.
Would you prefer the chicken or the pasta for your meal today?
I'll choose the pasta because it sounds lighter and easier to eat.
I'll have the chicken since I usually prefer something more filling.
This meal actually looks better than I expected.
Yes, and the smell is making me even more hungry.
Please let me know if you need anything else during your meal.
Thank you. Everything is fine so far.
After eating, I think I'll try to get some sleep.
That's a good plan, especially since we still have a long way to go.
The cabin lights will be dimmed shortly to help everyone rest.
I'll put on my eye mask and try to sleep for a while.
I hope you get some good rest and wake up feeling refreshed.
Thank you, and I hope you have a comfortable flight as well.
We will be starting our descent in about 30 minutes, so please prepare your seats.
It feels like the flight went by faster than I expected.
Time really flies when you're comfortable and well entertained.
I'm a little excited and nervous about landing, but mostly excited.
Please fasten your seatbelts and make sure all electronic devices are set to airplane mode.
I'm ready, and I can see the city lights through the window already.
That view is always my favorite part of the flight.
Thank you for the pleasant conversation. It made the journey more enjoyable.
You're welcome, and I wish you a wonderful time at your destination.
Welcome to our destination, and thank you for flying with us today.
Thank you. This flight was comfortable, and I'm happy to have arrived safely.